Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video we will learn about the modules. So let's get started. A module is a distinct assembly of components that can be easily added, removed or replaced in a larger system. So consider a module to be the same as a code library and a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application. So let's open the Visual Studio. Then let's open a new text file to type code. Then let's select the language, that is Python. Now if we select this, it automatically gives the .py extension. Later you can name the file and save it. Now let's see how to create a module. Type def greet of name, then print of hello, comma, name. So let's save this as file 1. Now we can use the module we just created by using the import statement. For example, open a new text file and type import file1, then under that file1.greet of John. When using a function from a module, use the syntax module name dot function name. Now if we compile this, we get the output as hello John. The module can contain functions as we have seen now, but also variables of all types such as arrays, dictionaries, lists and more. So let's see how it works. So let's make use of dictionaries as a variable type here. That is candidate1 is equals to name colon John, age colon 24, country colon Finland. Now save this as file2.py and open a new text file and implement this in actual code, that is type import file2, then let's create a variable called a is equals to file2 dot candidate1 of age. Here the syntax is function name dot variable name of attribute name, or you can say value name, then print of a. Now if we compile this, we get the output as 24. Now let's see how to rename a module. To do that, you can create an alias when you import a module by using the as keyword. That is, import file2 as fx. Now let's replace file2 as fx in this line. Now if we compile this, we get the output as 24. This is how we can create modules and import while coding. Python also has built-in modules. Moving on to dir function, let's see how to make use of dir function. It is a built-in function to list all the function names or variable names in a module. That is, import platform. Platform is a built-in module. Then x is equals to dir of platform, then print of x. Now if we compile this, we get the details of the platform. The dir function can be used on all modules, also the ones you create yourself, and also you can choose to import only parts from a module by using the from keyword. Let's create a file with .py extension, that is def greet of name, print of hello, comma name, then city is equals to name, colon New York, country United States, code 10014, and save this file as city.py. Now let's import the information from this file using from keyword, that is from city import city1, then print of city of code. This code imports country code from the file city, and if we use from keyword, we do not use the module name when referring to the elements as we did in previous code now. That syntax does not apply here. Now if we compile this, we get the output as 10014. So we have learned about Python modules, how to create modules, how to import, and how to make use of from keyword to import information from the existing modules. So this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates.